What if you could turn your voice into text instantly without installing complicated software or paying for expensive AI subscriptions? Well, that's exactly what SpeechNotes is designed to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use SpeechNotes in 2026 step by step and whether this simple speech-to-text tool is still worth using today. So first, SpeechNotes is an online AI dictation and transcription platform that lets you speak naturally while the software converts your speech into written text in real time. It works directly inside your browser, mainly on Chrome, and it's designed for students, creators, writers, business users, journalists, and basically anyone who wants to type faster using their voice. One reason why so many people still use SpeechNotes is because the setup process is incredibly simple. To get started, go to the SpeechNotes website, open the online notepad, and allow microphone access when your browser asks for permission. Once your microphone is connected, you simply press the microphone button and start talking normally. As you speak, your words appear automatically on the screen in real time. One useful feature is voice punctuation. So instead of manually typing commas or periods, you can literally say words like comma, question mark, or new paragraph, and SpeechNotes formats the text for you. This makes it much easier to write emails, notes, essays, or brainstorm ideas quickly without touching the keyboard too much. Another cool feature is autosave, which means your notes are automatically stored while you work so you don't lose everything accidentally. SpeechNotes also allows you to export files as text documents or Word files, send them directly to Google Drive, print them, or copy the text anywhere you want. If you need transcription instead of live dictation, there's also a feature where you can upload audio or video files and let the AI convert them into text automatically. According to the platform, it also supports timestamps, subtitles, speaker recognition, and multiple languages, which is helpful for interviews, lectures, podcasts, and content creation. Many online reviews say SpeechNotes is one of the easiest speech-to-text tools to use because it feels lightweight and distraction-free compared to bigger AI productivity apps. A lot of users also like that the free version is actually usable, which is becoming rare in 2026. But there are some downsides too. Some reviewers mention that the accuracy depends heavily on your microphone quality and background noise, so it may struggle in crowded environments. Others say the interface feels outdated compared to newer AI tools, and because it mainly runs inside Chrome, it doesn't integrate across your whole computer like advanced dictation software. Some privacy-focused users also dislike the fact that it relies on cloud-based speech recognition instead of off-mind transcription. So overall, is SpeechNotes still worth using in 2026? Honestly, yes, especially if you want a simple and affordable way to convert speech into text quickly without learning complicated software. It may not be the smartest AI dictation tool on the market anymore, but for basic voice typing, note-taking, and transcription, it still does the job surprisingly well. If you want to try SpeechNotes for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below telling me if you think voice typing will eventually replace keyboards completely.